Hey YouTube, today I'm going to be changing out the door actuator lock. This is the part right here on this 2010 Ford Escape. They're common to go bad on the Mercury's and Ford, the stuff like that. Okay, all you gotta do is take out the panel. It's very easy, and there's 3 screws here. The lock mechanism is in here, and actuator is here with the lock mechanism. You just gotta disconnect this harness wire, this plug, and there's one more here, and I think a screw inside the disconnect. And if you want, you can just buy the actuator, or you can buy the whole part. I just bought the whole part.